Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here, or if you guys watch my videos on the regular, and if you guys are new, then hi, my name is Christal, as you can see on my YouTube name. Hi, just hi, welcome. This is my channel. It's gonna be our Boxycharm unboxing. Let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna open is a card. It was actually placed very sloppily this month, so I had to like reorganize it. But oh, what is that? Excuse my nails, I just did them and they look horrendous. But so this is what the box looks like, and the first thing I'm gonna take out is this Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So the next thing is this, and actually when I seen that they were having this in the box this month, I got super excited because I've been wanting to try this primer out for a really long time, but it's kind of pricey, so like I'm just like, do I really need it? So this is the, let me tell you what it is. This is the Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. It's to soothe and to cover up I guess like obviously your pores. So I didn't highlight, so the next thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan in Sparkling Sass. It's a highlighter, and this retails for $32. Jesus. It's a gold highlighter, so like I'm really feeling this, but $32, that's crazy. Let me get my highlighting brush. I was saying, this highlight doesn't have like glitter and stuff. It's like a smooth highlight. So like, I mean, obviously any highlight is gonna emphasize texture, but like this highlight, just like, this will be so nice for pictures. Oh my god. I'm really liking this highlight. What do you guys think about it? Like, can you see that, or is this me? Is it just me, or can you see that? Okay, the next thing I was so excited for, because this is another product that I've been wanting to try, but it was heck expensive, and I was just like, okay, like, is this worth the money? So when I seen that Boxycharm was having it, I was so hyped. This is the Better Than Sex Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The box is this Trustique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. So this is everything on my face. Girl, this box was popping this month. I'm gonna give a little bit of a rundown on every product to see like whether I like it, whether I don't like it, whether like how, you know, how everything looks, you know, because cameras can be deceiving. So yeah. So the No Problem primer, I already gave you, you know, a little bit of my thoughts. I'm gonna have to keep playing with it to see if I actually like it. Like I said, it's a little bit oily on the skin, so I'm gonna wear it for the day, and then if I get oily through the day, like faster than what I would normally get, I'll try it with like maybe my Kat Von D Lock It foundation or my Huda Beauty foundation, because I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I would have to see that. I mean, it does smooth out my skin, like my skin does look like pretty smooth. Or it could just be that my skin is actually like being good. Like, I have acne, but my skin has been doing a lot much better. So yeah. The next thing was this Pretty Vulgar highlight. Girl, I got nothing bad to say about it. I just dug my finger in it. Oh my god. I really like the highlight. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it. You're definitely gonna be seeing it more on my channel. So the next thing is a Better Than Sex mascara. I love it too. I love the way it make my lashes look. I go based off of whether I like a mascara or not is if by the end of the night, like I get those little like mascara balls on my face. Right now it's not doing it, so hopefully it'll stay like that. If it does, it's my new favorite mascara. It just makes my lashes like okay. So what I was saying was that my Monsieur Big mascara gets those little mascara balls on my face, or it can be my Tarte because I use these two in conjunction. So maybe it's not. I will have to try it on its own, but so far so good. I mean, I got a little bit of mascara up here, but it's not the mascara's fault, it's my fault. So far I'm really liking it. And this lip color is not that bad. I really don't like pinks, but I mean, it's not that bad. It's not like whoa over the top pink, but it's not like, you know, I would buy that in the store. So like honestly, I really enjoyed this month's box. I was very disappointed in last month's box because like there was a lot of things that I just didn't like, and the month before I really didn't like that box either. But this month, wow, like it's freaking amazing. If you got any, you know, ideas, please leave them in the comments down below, or inbox me on Instagram or Snapchat. I will have everything in the beginning of the video, or if not, I'll have it linked down below. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, do whatever you gotta do. Like I always say, like, gotta do whatever you gotta do. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys so very much, and I thank you for 104 subscribers. Love you guys. Stay safe. God bless, and bye.